9-ball is played with a cue ball and 9 object balls numbered 1 through 9. It is a rotation-based game, meaning that the balls are shot in numerical order. The shooter must strike the cue ball into the lowest numbered ball, the object ball, on the table first. When the 9-ball gets pocketed, the rack is over. The only rules for racking the balls is that the 1 ball must be first and that the 9-ball is in the middle of the rack. Players lag to see who wins the first break. The ball that stops closest to the head rail wins. A player must break from behind the head string for the break to be considered legal. At least 4 object balls must be driven to the rails, or a ball must be pocketed. Combination shots are legal, but striking the correct ball first is required. The lowest numbered ball on the table must be struck first. The player is credited with all balls they legally pocket. Occasionally, a player mistakenly shoots the wrong numbered ball. Any balls pocketed prior to the foul being called will be marked as dead balls. Dead balls mean that no points are given for the ball that was pocketed. Points are given when the object ball is pocketed. Balls 1 through 8 are worth 1 point. The 9-ball is worth 2 points, totaling 10 points per rack. Accidentally moved balls must be replaced. Unless any of the accidentally moved balls contact the cue ball or the tip of the cue, thereby creating a foul, in which case nothing gets replaced. There are different amounts of points that are needed for each skill level. The first to reach that number wins the match. The skill levels are as follows. Level 1, the lowest possible level for women, only needs 14 points. Level 2, the lowest possible level for men, only needs 19 points. Level 3 needs 25 points. Level 4 needs 31 points. Level 5 needs 38 points. Level 6 needs 46 points. Level 7 needs 55 points. Level 8 needs 65 points. Level 9 needs 75 points.